One of the biggest mining companies in the country, Leone Rock Metal Group, has set the industry ablaze with its latest strategic move aimed at enhancing operational efficiency. The company made a significant leap forward by unveiling 10 locomotives on Thursday, May 2nd, 2024, at the Queen Elizabeth II Quay in Freetown. This milestone marks a pivotal moment in the Leone Rock Metal Group's growth trajectory and is poised to have a positive impact on Sierra Leone's mining industry. The glorious event, attended by key industry figures and dignitaries, was a testament to Leone Rock's Metal Group commitment to innovation and progress. Among the notable personalities present were Salim Silla, the Chief Technical Officer of Leone Rock Metal Group, Honorable Rex Boniface, the Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation, and Charlie Cham, the General Manager of Leone Rock Metal Group. Each individual made a statement highlighting the significance of the introduction of the new locomotive and the positive implication it holds for the company and the country as a whole.
Within Watakia for fulfill with developmental, trajectory of Leone Rock Metal Group. If you have been remember, recently in November, the government signed the railway and port lease agreement, where they say we need for bring third party them for make them use the railway. But also been tell the government say it means so we need for do boku investment for logo expand the railway. We need for bring more locomotives so that we will do this work effectively. So today, within Naya for fulfill our promise, they say before the end of May, we will bring 10 brand new locomotives them. As soon as we don't see them, today we can offload 10 brand new locomotives as we promised for those. Actually, when they say iron or bauxite, they call them bulk mineral commodity, because they say bulk enough about diamond, like one big diamond they put in a pocket, or gold they able put boku gold in a pocket. Bulk, if they able to make boku money, the more you export. And if you know iron ore na Tonkolili with the mine, for long we will pull Tonkolili for out and Africa. I mean, so we forget some system where we will make boku million tons. And train are the most easy one. So train now then locomotive. The more locomotive you get, the more what we call wagon you will able to put there where then they transport the ore. So they will don't get more locomotive, means they will able now export more iron ore next year. And would also able to help the other sister company that would end along the railway, the other company that would serve them, they would in the mine, would able cargo them on our paper for them to be able to export. But in context, the more iron ore we export, the more money government they get, because now that iron ore they export now they pay royalty to the government. So we need for export boku. So for the government say once the law able to do then 30-40 million tons for the year. So now the stages still they begin a small will they increase and but 10 brand new locomotives a big investment.
It not come to me as a surprise at all. Family can recall say a few months back, a lot of rumors and speculations began at the air. But another company where they call Arise and Leone Rock Metal Group. But the government be settled for Leone Rock Metal Group. Because we don't see what they do. They take over that facility there at a time where nobody know they expecting anybody can invest inside it. We see how they invest. So from that time, the willingness there on the part of government for support them, for make sure say the things that they promise them do them. And so far so good. All what they promise, they don't do them. They tell about the maintenance of the port, na prepare. They tell about the expansion. As we speak, that expansion they go on. About a month or so, we we said they build another $30 million plant or so for improve on their production. And they tell we say that they bring more coaches for add to their coaches now, so that the railway will be safe and we can get plenty of people that will go use them, other companies then they use them. So what do they see as what then are just a manifestation of what they promise. A lot. Because what this now means, it now means say they will export more. And the more they export, the more government they get revenue, which is very important. And don't forget, not to the no more get for the use this rail and the port. The contractor will sign with them, We make them understand say the other mining companies dem like Marampa, like CTC dem wey dey use the same products dem go use dem facility here. And we dey as a ministry for mediate. We say dem get blockade dem we carry inside we mediate. Like right now sef today wey dem dey carry go dem here na the mining site, dem use Marampa the off-road wey dem make. So Marampa stop dem program say no the Mochikano for waka. They call me, they tell me. So presently I dey in negotiation with Marampa for let them allow them, let them go through. So it's a very, very big thing for the country. Because we want to see how this program will expand, not only for the minerals, but other agricultural areas then, as they go along the line. So they encourage other people, they will continue to encourage Leone Rock for let them invest more in the railway.
Yeah, so we are importing 10 new locomotives for our railway operation to replace the current old locomotive. So this will bring the first ever very high technology, very advanced locomotive to Sierra Leone, the first ever time. And also it will help us to increase our revenue and to create more jobs and to create more revenue and more tax for Sierra Leone, for the government and for the company and for its people. So, you know, we are running the railway from Tankolili to Papel, and also we are running the Papel port to export the iron ore produced by King Hall Mining Company. So the railway and the port are very old. They are like more than 20, 30 years old. The current locomotive is also very old. It has a limitation on our operation, and it also have limitation of all the area of operation. So we, Leone Rock, we always invest in Sierra Leone, and we keep our promise. We invest in mining, and we also invest in low-end port. So we have signed the new low-end port lease agreement with the government, and in the new agreement, we promised we will invest more in the upgrade of the current low-end port. So bringing this new locomotive is one of the steps to upgrade the current railway infrastructure to bring more economic development for Sierra Leone people.
The unveiling of the 10 locomotives represents a strategic move by Leone Rock Metal Group to bolster its operational capabilities and improve efficiency in its transportation services. By investing in new advanced locomotives, Leone Rock Metal Group aims to enhance its service delivery, increase capacity, and meet the growing demand of the market. Reporting for Star TV News in Freetown, George Elliott Sam.